Tom, are you up? Tom, time to get up. Where is that lazy goose? Tom, get up. What are you doing, buddy? We got stuff to do today. Okay, you're up. All right. Well, I'm going to go open the mail. You get up, get dressed, and start making breakfast. All right. Well, let's see what we got in the mail today. This is from DT Silver Coin Hunter from my Silver Squad. I do believe I won his sock gaw and maybe an end of stream or something. First off, we have the 2021 Kangaroo. Too shiny to focus. We have the 1 ounce copper. Very nice. Oh, we have 268 halves. My Silver Squad sticker, signed by DT. And we have the big boy package. I donated for a full box of $50. And I think there was also a couple of prize wins in there. Oh, we really got it in here good. Let me get this open here. Well, Tom is hopefully making breakfast. Starving to death over here. Sure got that taped up nice. All right, I think I got it. The likes. I believe it was the like gaw. If I can get into it, I'll show y'all. There we go. Got the 1985 proof. Nebraska, 2006. And two nickels, 2 war nickels. S&P. All right, here's the full box donation. Man, they use the best packaging in the game. Empty bag. Another DT sticker. Ooh, we got fines, wheel spins, fill the board. I don't even know where to start. Well, let's just start. Fill the board. 2009 S-Proof. Dropsies. 1968. 1968. Ooh, couple little dimes. Yeah, we know dimes don't focus. We'll get two little dimes. Well, let's go with fines. It's all silver. Oops. $19.80. It'll be a hot one out today. 105, they're saying. Gonna be insane. Got 1968. All of a sudden, nothing wants to focus. Another 1968. $19.67. And the find of the box was this 1911 1 penny in a $half roll box. $19.11. That's pretty old. I got another little baggie here. Should have pre-opened these. Ooh, we got another 68. 51 Frankie. 57. 52. 1967. 1949. 1953. Nice little pile of change adding up. And off our wheel spins. We're dropping dimes. Don't want to do that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 dimes. A nice walker here. 1936. Another one. 1943. Got a case of the dropsies again today. Must be the heat getting to me. 1943. 1937. 42. 1941. There's the pile. All that goodness. Check out my Silver Squad. All their videos, really great guys, really great content. And me and Tom will catch you next time. Right, Tom? Did you make breakfast? You did? Okay. Tom, I know it's hot out, but next time we do a video, could you put some pants on? Oh, you're a silly goose.